5 to 10 ton per hour wires, profiles, continuous casting and rolling production line. Continuous casting and rolling wires profile production line is a Turkey product customized by Hongteng Company according to customer demands. It has the advantages of less manpower, high production capacity, and high automation, etc. It is suitable for the production of wires or profiles above capacity 5 ton per hour. The whole set of equipment consists of inducting mounting furnace, billet continuous casting machine, billet reheating furnace, rough rolling mill, continuous rolling group, shears, coating bed, fixed shear and collection platform. The sorted and treated scrap steel is transported to the melting furnace by the electromagnetic sucker. If the production capacity is large, it can also be equipped with charging cars to achieve efficient feeding. The medium-frequency induction melting furnace melt the metal quickly. Medium-frequency furnace using the Internet of Things technology can realize remote control, remote maintenance, remote fault processing, a full set of equipment to achieve the full digital system, simple installation, simple debugging. The induction melting furnace is composed of a transformer, medium-frequency power supply, furnace body, cooling system, and furnace tilting control system. The furnace body can be one or one working, one standby. Based on customer production requirements, the treated steel liquid is transferred to CCM by steel ladle to casting continuously. The steel billet out of the CCM use the hydraulic metal shear or flame cutter to cut the required length. The finished steel billet can be directly into the cooling bed, cooling stacking, or enter the inducting reheating furnace to 1250 degrees to achieve continuous casting and rolling. After preheating, the steel billets enter the rough rolling mill through the auto-tilt feeding table to achieve automatic feeding of the steel billets. The rough rolling mill suggests processing billet 3 to 7 times depending on the production capacity and finished product size. The steel billets are fed into the emergency flying shear by the conveyor roller table, where the head and tail of the rolled billets are cut off. After being sheared, the steel billets enter the continuous rolling mill, with each stand rolling only once. The quantity of the continuous rolling mill stance is determined by the minimum size of the final product. The finished steel rebar enter the cooling bed cooling. After cooling to room temperature, enter the fixing lathe roller table through the finished roller table. The finished product packing system consists of fixing lathe roller, fixing lathe baffle, cut-to lathe shear, and collection platform. The cooled finished product into the fixing lathe roller table. The fixing lathe baffle make the required lathe, then start cutting. The finished steel rebar into the collection platform. Required width is achieved after multiple collections. The finished steel rebar after packing. Delivered to finished product area by crane. If a wire rod production line is required, additional coil-related equipment can be added. Includes a coiling machine, coil conveyor table, coil collector, etc. After the final wire rod comes out of the rolling mill, it enters the coiling machine to be processed into coils. The coils are then transported by an auto conveyor table to a higher level collection platform, where they drop onto the coil collector. The coil collector equipped with tracks, and typically 2 or multiple collectors are set up to work in turn. In the steel rolling workshop, according to the configuration, the annual production capacity is approximately 30,000 to 60,000 tons of low-carbon or low-alloy steel threaded bars and round bars, with a finished product yield of 92%.